Hi, we are going to talk about data summary, histogram, and cumulative distribution plot. So, this is the problem we have. So, you must have read the problem. So, it is basically we have 40 different data points. So, they are actually values of strength. So, let's see how we can first get a summary of this data. So, first, what we need to do is we need to create a CSV file using this data. So let's see how we can write the code for that. So we are using the pandas. So first we are actually creating an array using the which is called data, where we input all the values. Then we actually what we use is the function data frame inside pandas, and then we save the column name as strength, and that is saved into the variable df. So next there is this to CSV function. What this actually do is this can create a CSV file. So here we are actually creating a CSV file called strength.csv. So through this strength.csv will be saved in the same directory. So next let's read this CSV file. So actually this two lines of code is commented out because this is meant for if you are working in Google Colab. So in that case, what this does is it will ask you to upload your CSV file into the Colab directory. So since I am not using Colab right now, I already have the CSV file saved in my directory. So I can proceed, and then here this read CSV function will read the data from the CSV file. And look, this is the main function. This is df.describe. So what this will do is this will analyze the data at hand, and then it will give various values to describe the data set. So here you can see count is 40, then it will calculate mean, then it has standard deviation, minimum values, so and the maximum values is like 75%, 50%, 25%, everything is described here. So next move on to plotting the histograms. So here what it does is what we use is we have matplotlib, of course you know that, and pyplot you must have seen this before, and then we are using seaborn as the plotting style. So here actually, so first what we here also I have commented out the Colab lines, so you can use these lines if you are using Colab, but I already have the CSV file saved which we created before. So first we will read the data from the CSV file, then all this is like for determining the figure size. Then we will be using 4 subplots, so this will decide the positions. We are describing the position of the subplots. Then here actually we are trying to plot 4 different plots, so I will explain what each one is. The first one is the basic simple histogram, which is like the is giving the frequency of each data, not data, like in between, like each bins. So it is explaining the frequency of the data we have. So you can see the longest bar is here, which means that most values lie somewhere in between 150 and like 170, 175. So in this region we have the most number of values, that is like about 10, maybe like 11 or 12 or something. So then this is the cumulative frequency, which means that it will keep on adding up. So which means if it is 150, what it means is that everything less than 150 will be counted. If it is so this what this means is everything less than 210, like this whatever this value is, everything less than this value will be counted. So it is like the cumulative, we keep on adding. So the second bar will be like here in this case this 2, and then this is I think 3. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, so that's why it is 5 here. So this is the cumulative frequency. So this is the third one. The third one and first one looks the same, but the difference is this is like the frequency, but this is like the frequency density. So since we are calculating density, you can see the values are lower here, so which also means the area under the whole curve will be 1. So here again, this is the cumulative frequency density plot, not plot, histogram. So here you can see the last plot, which is like 1. So which again means the area under this curve is 1. So I hope you understand this. Thank you.